In this video, we'll be exploring the CS Card OpenAI ChatBot. It integrates product data with ChatGPT and assisting customers with queries and sharing product links to enhance the shopping experience. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Once installed and configured, the chatbot icon appears directly on your storefront, and it is accessible to all visitors. The chatbot uses OpenAI to understand natural language. You can type product-related queries, and it will fetch the relevant products directly from your CS Cart store catalog. For example, I am looking for a smartphone. Here we can see that it gives us various product links, including direct product links. It can also handle multiple languages, depending on your configuration. For example, if a user types in Hindi, you can type any query in Hindi according to your choice. It provides results in the Hindi language along with direct product links. The user can directly click the link and navigate to the product page, where they can purchase the product. In the admin panel, you can configure the chatbot's behavior. Go to the admin panel, then to add-ons, then developer, and finally select Webkul Software Private Limited. Here is the chatbot add-on. Click on it, then click on its settings to access the OpenAI chatbot configurations. The first is the OpenAI configuration, the second is the Pinecone configuration, and the third is the product settings. Auto product means whenever the admin creates a new product, it automatically syncs with the OpenAI chatbot. Here is the chatbot settings section, including the logo and chatbot options. The admin can also change the chatbot's logo and heading. The last option is the chatbot store, which appears on the storefront. If the admin disables it, the chatbot store will be hidden from the storefront. If the admin enables it, the chatbot store will be visible on the storefront. So, this is all about this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.